Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
Looking at page 15 of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician. This is book 1, and we're starting with number 66, which we're working in 3/4 now. We're introducing dotted half notes, so those will be 3 beats long. And we have the ties in here, and it looks like only 3 songs for the page, so let's get started. Here's the clapping part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our A's are back to natural, unlike page 14, so watch out for that. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And number 67. One, 2, 3, ready, begin.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.